Here I'm going to show you how to make a fillable PDF using Adobe Acrobat or Adobe Reader. So as you can see, this is my fillable PDF file. Now I'll show you how to make this kind of fillable PDF file. Just follow me to do it. Okay, first of all, go to your Adobe Acrobat or Adobe Reader and open your PDF. And in my case, I'm going to add a new blank page to make a fillable PDF. So in this right hand menu, I'm selecting organize pages. Here clicking on insert and inserting a blank page. So here my blank page. Now I will make a fillable page here. So go to all tools section, and here under forms and signature section you have to select prepare form. And using this prepare form tool, we will make fillable forms. So here we can see the menu option. From here, first of all, select the text tool, and here you can add a headline. I'm changing the font size from here first of all, and let's select type here. Enter your information. Okay, after that I'm selecting the add text tool again, and here I'm adding name text. Before that I'm decreasing my font size, and here typing name, and then adding here another field name, email, and another field number, another field gender, and another field date of birth. Okay, now here I'm going to selecting this add a text field option and adding a text field for my name. And here you can change your field name. Click on all properties to customize your field. From here you can make the field you can make your field background color from here. After that I'm adding another text field for my email, and adding another text field for my number. And in this gender, so I'm selecting text tool and typing here male, and here I'm typing female. And now here I'm selecting this checkbox and adding a checkbox for male, and adding another checkbox for female. And now for date of birth, I'm selecting here this date field, adding the date field here. And that's how you can easily make a fillable form. Now I'm clicking on preview, and here as you can see, my fillable form successfully created. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.